This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade 37M is a Class C RV. It is located in Greencastle, Pennsylvania, 17225 and is offered for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center. This new Entegra Coach is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a fossil interior, sleeps 10, TV, air conditioning, smoke detector, DVD player, awning, oven, skylight, water heater, leveling jacks, external shower, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, couples coach, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade 37M is built on a Freightliner S2RV Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Keystone RV MEGA Center, visit RVUSA.com.